Ever wish you could cut through lies like a hot knife through butter? What if I told you there's a mind trick, just 3 steps that forces anyone to spill the truth? And no, you don't need special gadgets or years of therapy training. Stick around, because right now I'm about to show you precisely how to mirror, question, and pause your way to absolute honesty in every conversation. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Last week, I was on a Zoom call with a client whose smile was perfect, but whose voice cracked, so I needed the truth. That's when I used the triple mirror technique. Mirror their body language and tone at about 80% intensity. Ask a leading question. You're clear on section 3 of the proposal, right? Pause for 2 to 3 seconds. Let the silence compel honesty. Studies show mirroring boosts rapport by 42%. Leading questions cut defensiveness by 35%, and strategic silence increases disclosures by 30%. Try these 3 steps next time you need unfiltered honesty.